Good afternoon, Speed Doctor Nation. This is the doctor, Mr. Aaron Price here speaking. We've got a new product here that we'd like to show to the public. It's been in work, designing and whatnot for quite some time. I've wanted to do this project for a very long time, many years. I've just never had the ability to. And now that we have our own CNC here in-house, we can do it. We can do pretty much whatever the hell we want to, which is really fun. This is a patent pending item. I'm super excited about that. I've been wanting to do that my entire life. It is US patented, pending. The application was submitted a couple days ago. This is our Motorplate alternator mount. It's all CNC billet, 6061 aluminum, machined. Right here, there's our mill, and here's our test engine, our mock-up engine. Just a 302. The amazing thing about this product, it isn't Ford specific, it isn't Chevy specific, it isn't anything specific. As you can see, there's slotted holes, and they're machined tight tolerance to the bolts. Every bolt on here is 3/8. It's grade 8 hardware. You can move this forwards and backwards. You can run slim pulleys, or you can run a fatter pulley. You have about 3 inches or so, 2.5 inches of travel, or you can stack the arm behind it and gain another 1/2 inch of stick out if you want another 1/2 inch of stick out. This product has been tested for the last month on a good friend of ours that's worked. He's worked with us on a nice Ford, I believe it's a Fairlane. Engine makes a little over 620 horsepower. And he's taken it to over 7,000 RPM numerous times. Hit it on the 2-step. He's got over 100 street miles on it. I said, man, I'm gonna send you a part, beat the hell out of it. Try to break it. Do what you can. Don't hurt your car, don't hurt your engine, but try to break my part. I challenge you. You can't break it. Just like all of our regular alternator mounts that we've been making for almost 2 decades. Nobody's broken one of those. Nobody's broken the main bracket. So this is a revolutionary type item, I feel. We've designed this currently, this cradle piece, for the Denso mini alternators. You can run, they make serpentine pulleys, they make V-belt pulleys for them. You have a lot of ability to go forwards and backwards. You can mount this piece on your motor plate anywhere your heart desires. I just put it over here for mock-up because the plate that I have it's got some, we had to do some cutting on it a couple years ago, and this is where I had some room to work with. If you have a passenger side water outlet or driver side, make sure it clears your hoses and all that kind of stuff. You can mount it up high. You can take this bracket and push it on the other side and make it a pull tensioner instead of a pushing tensioner. It works either way. All the hardware is grade 8. Lock nuts, thin nylon lock nuts for everything. All 6061. This is a very beefy piece, and all you have to do to align it is take a straight edge. I have a piece of water jetted aluminum here. Lay it across your pulleys, and you're good. Lock down your cradle piece, your slide piece. Make sure it's good and square, and lock it down. Now you're gonna say, oh man, how do I drill these holes and make sure my holes on my motor plate are lined up with the mount and the top piece. No problem. We got you covered, boss. In the kit, you're going to receive a little sheet metal drilling template. That's all it is. That drilling template, this is everything in the kit, by the way. You're going to get an arm. There's a spacer here that can go in here because the 100 millimeter and the 93 millimeter have slightly different thicknesses of their arms. You're going to get all the hardware. Tensioner. It's our standard tensioner that we've been making for forever. It works perfectly for this application. And your drilling template. We currently are going to offer it in machine finish only for right now. We may look into doing outsourcing anodizing, but this is your drilling template. Mount it wherever you would like. If you want to put it over here upside down, or you can do it here. I mean, it doesn't matter. You have a forward and rearward adjustability to it. You can run whatever pulleys you would like. The tensioner is here. It just opens and closes. It's got the nylon, or the jam nuts here. Lock those down once you get your belt good and tensioned. You can run a V belt, you can run a serpentine belt, you can run a cog belt. I don't care. It doesn't care. It is 100% adjustable to fit your engine. And there's really no limitations to it. I've been thinking and designing this for over a year. This is not how it looked originally, but we have clearance here. You can slide your bolts through here. This is all 1/2 inch thick. The ears down here, they're 1/2 inch. The post is over 1 inch thick. There's radiuses everywhere. You're not gonna break this item. So the introductory price for them right now, let's say introductory, but the pricing for them right now is gonna be $200 with USPS shipping to the United States included. $200 shipped, and you're gonna get all of these items for that, and the drilling template. Punch your 2 holes. You can drill at 3/8 or just a tiny bit over. I think it's 25/64 is a 64th clearance. But I hope you guys like it. I've spent a lot of time developing this item. It's been testing for, like I say, a month or 2. And it is going to be patented. I'm very excited about that. Something I've wanted to do for my whole life. And we looked and looked and looked all over the place, and we could not find anything that's designed like this, with the adjustability and the strength and design criteria that I want in our parts. So it'll be on the website this afternoon. If y'all have any questions, just email us, or you can message us on Facebook. It goes to my phone. And hope everybody's having a great day, and happy summer, happy racing.